Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had looked into the new data type, that is the tuples data type. And we also seen how to create a tuple, different types of tuples, that is a number to numeric tuple, a string tuple, and a mixed data type tuple. And we also saw type conversion of a string into a tuple and type conversion of a list into a tuple. And we also saw the concatenation and repetition operations in tuples. In today's session, let's learn more about the tuples data type. Today, let's learn the concept of tuple packing and unpacking. What is tuple packing? So, let's learn what is tuple packing and what is tuple unpacking. So friends, what do you mean by tuple packing? Suppose we create a tuple without using the parenthesis, then it is called as tuple packing. Suppose I give my tuple 1, tup1 equal to 1, comma, 3.14, comma, Python. So I am not including it within a parenthesis. Actually speaking, tuple have to be included within parenthesis. Then only we recognize it as a tuple. But if we assign a variable and give three values without different values without enclosing it in a parenthesis, then we say it is tuple packing. So now when we say print tuple 1, then we get the output as in parenthesis. It gives out in the tuple format. So we can create a tuple without using parenthesis, and this process is called as tuple packing. And when we print the tuple1, we get it in the tuple format. We get the output in the tuple format. This is what is called as tuple packing. Now let's see what is tuple unpacking. Suppose I'm having tuple 2 equal to, I specify in a parenthesis 1, 3.14 and then Python. So there are three items in my tuple 2. What is tuple unpacking? It extracts the items in the tuple and stores it in individual variables. So if I say A, comma B, comma C equal to tuple 2. If I say so, then A will hold the value 1, B will hold the value 3.14, C will hold the value Python. So, in these variables, the tuple items have been assigned. The individual items of the tuple has been assigned into these three variables. So, now if I say print A, print B, and then print C. In A, I get the value 1. In B, I get the value 3.14. And in C, I get the value Python. So, the items of the tuple have been assigned to individual variables. And this process is called as tuple unpacking. So, tuple unpacking means to extract the items of the tuple into individual variables. So this was tuple packing and unpacking. Let's see some more examples in tuple unpacking. The number of variables we specify should be equal to the number of items present in the list. And suppose, let me take few more items. Let me take 2, 4 and 5. So this is my tuple 2. And now I do not know how many items are present in the tuple. So I can say A, comma B. In that case, I can say the last item I can specify it as star C, or the in between item also I can specify it as star B. So if I say star C equal to tuple 2, then my A will hold the value 1, my B will hold the value 3.14, and star C will hold the remaining items. So suppose we don't know how many items are present within the tuple, we can specify it as star C, so it will hold the remaining items. And now if I say print A, I get the value 1. And if I say print B, I get the value 3.14. And if I say print C, I get it in the list format, the remaining elements, that is Python 2, 4 and 5. So when I print C, I get the output in the list format of all the remaining items. So this is how tuple unpacking works in Python. And now I can give it in another format. Suppose I give A star B and then C equal to tuple 2. So A will hold the value 1. C will hold the last item, that is 5. And B will hold the in-between items, that is 3.14, Python 2 and then 4. So now let's see the output. If I say print A, I get the value 1. If I say print B, I get the value 3.14 in the list format, 3.14, Python 2 and then 4. Now if I say print C, I get the output 5. So the first and last element are held in A and C, and the remaining items are present in B. So this is how tuple unpacking works in Python. Hope so friends, it's clear for you, the tuple packing and the tuple unpacking. Now let's go on and see what all operations are possible in Python and what all operations are not possible in Python. So let's see addition of elements into tuples. Addition of elements. So we saw, let's compare it with list. In list, how did we add elements into the list? We had 3 built-in functions, that is the append function, the insert function and the extend function, with the help of which we added items into the list. Now in tuples, how do we add elements into tuples? We cannot add elements into the tuples because tuples are immutable. That is, once the tuple has been created, we cannot add or modify the tuple. So we do not have these 3 built-in functions in tuple. So append function not present, insert function is also not present in tuples, and extend function is also not present in tuples. So we could add elements in the list because lists are mutable. We can add elements, but tuples are immutable. Once created, we cannot add any more items into the tuples. So these 3 functions are not present in tuples. Now let's see whether we can update elements in tuples. Update elements, updation of elements. In list, suppose I have lst1 which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. And now if I want to change my element 2 to 10, then I just gave LST1 of index 1 is equal to 10. I just give the assignment operator and assign the value 10 to LST1 of 1. So now when I printed my list, print LST1, I got my output as 1, 10, 3, 4, 5. So I got this particular output. Now let's see what happens in tuples. Suppose I have my tuple as tuple 1 equal to in parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. And now if I say tuple1 of 1 equal to 10. So I am trying to change the value 2 to 10. I am assigning it. I am trying to change it. This is not possible in tuple. Not possible. Because tuples are immutable. We cannot change the items of the tuple once they have been created. So we cannot modify them. We cannot update elements in the tuple. It gives an error. When we give this particular statement, it gives an error. Tuples do not support item updation, item assignment. So the interpreter raises this particular error message. This is an error message. It gives out this particular error message when we try to change the value of the tuple, because tuples are immutable. We cannot change the contents of the tuple once it has been created. And now friends, let's look into one more example. This was for just a normal tuple. If I have a list within the tuple, suppose my last item is a list with 1, 2, 3. So within a tuple, I am having a list. Now if I try to modify the contents of this list, then it gets modified because lists are mutable. So we can change the contents. But when we change the contents of the tuple, we cannot change. It gives item assignment error. But if we try to change the contents within the list, even though it is within a tuple, it is possible. Now if I say tuple 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth index. Fifth index, I am trying to change the first element, that is 0th index, to 10. When I give this particular statement, and now when I say print tuple1, then I get my output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then my first element in the list would have got changed to 10. So 10, 2, 3. My list ends and tuple 10. So we can change the items within the list, but we cannot change the individual items within the tuple. So this is the catch over here. We think that we cannot change the items in the list also as it is in the tuple. But no friends, we can change the items within the list even though it is within the tuple. So this is how updation of elements work in tuples. Now let's see deletion of elements in tuples. So let's see deletion of elements. In the list, let me take a list. LST1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Now if I want to delete my second number, then I can just specify del LST1 of index 1. When I give delete LST1 of 1, my first index, that is 0, 1, the 2 will get deleted from the list. Now, if I say print LST1, then my list will be having 1, 3, 4 and 5. 2 has been deleted from the list. Now let's see what happens in tuples. Suppose I have tuple 1 equal to in parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Now if I say delete tuple 1 of 1. Now I am trying to delete the item 2 from the tuple. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. It is not possible because tuples are immutable and we cannot delete any items from the tuple. So it will give an error. Python interpreter will throw an error telling tuples do not support item deletion. So it raises this particular error telling tuples do not support item deletion. So we cannot delete the items within the tuple. But if we have a list, say 0, 1, 2, 3. If I have my list over here and if I delete the first, if I want to delete any item within the list, if I say tuple 1, 0th index, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. 5th index I am having my list. So 5 and then within this I want to delete the first element, the first index element. If I say del tuple 1, 5 and then 1, then it is number 1. So this particular element will get deleted. Now if I say print tuple 1, then it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and within this it will delete 0 will be there, it will delete 1. So it will have 0, 2 and then 3. So we can delete individual items within the list even though they are enclosed within tuples. But we cannot delete individual items of the tuple. So this is a very good example of deletion of elements in tuples. So friends, today we covered what is tuple packing and what is tuple unpacking, and we also saw whether addition of elements is possible in tuples. So friends, it is not possible in tuples. Updation and deletion of elements in tuples also it gives an error, but if we have a list, then we can update or delete items from the list which is enclosed within the tuples. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.